Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. This is your English language instructor, Dr. Noorul Huda. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying the blessings of Allah. And I'm sure that by now you have already done your bridging activity. And this time, again, your answers do not have to match mine because this is an open-ended question. But the most important thing is it should have some sort of joining word. Why? Because this is the demand of the SLO. SLO wants you to recognize the function of the joining words in a sentences. So we will be focusing on the joining words. So joining words are very important tools in grammar. One has to learn a lot of joining words. Why? Because sometimes the sentence is bumpy. It stops too fast. So, to overcome this problem, we need to have some sort of joining word in between to have a long and complex sentence. So, conjunctions are special joining words that connect different parts of a sentence. They act like a tool to link words, phrases, clauses together to make the sentence flow smoothly and logically. This is the function of the joining words, which are conjunctions. For example, we have used the conjunction and over here. Where we use and? We use and to add information. When we want to add information, we use the conjunction and. For example, I like peaches, figs. So if I want to add this information, I used the word and. And now, can you see how seamlessly the sentence looks? I like peaches and figs. So, but is yet again another joining words. We use it to show contrast. How? Like, I like rices, but I don't like roast. Got it? So, when we have contrasting ideas, we use but. Now, look at over here. I like rices, but I don't like roast. Now, we have another conjunction or joining word that is called or. We use this word when we want to give a choice. When you have two choices, for example, would you like tea or coffee? We use this conjunction. I'm sure majority of you knows about it. Now, we have one other example over here, that is so. This indicates a result. Got it? I was tired, so I went to bed. So make sure whenever you want to indicate a result, use the joining word so. And because. Whenever you want to give a reason, you use because. I stayed home because it was raining. You got that right. So far, we have read all of these joining words and they are used for different purposes. Their jobs is right over here, and these are the examples which we have read to understand the use of these joining words. Now, the project is complete. I hope you have learned something new today, because if we want a complete long sentence, we need to be using joining words. Now, to understand your understanding of the focus, we have designed a formative check. You have to do both of these activities in the class with the help of your teacher. Go home, do your homework with the help of your parent. See you again in the next LIFT. Till then, bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.